been seeing you here. What's going on? Why? You are hungry. Did you get anything too?
No, I think I have my juice.
Yo. Hey guys. So what's happening? Can you tell me what exactly is going on here? Where are you from? You can hold the phone. Easy. Take it easy, my sister. You're gonna choke yourself. Hey, I'm in Zara. Yo, guys, those which have a total good name scanner, but as we kuti wekupi right now and the information yanina saka kuona kuti kwasa kumbatsire kuti ano achabatsirikawo here kana achitiza mabandewo hapana zvatingaitewo achataurawo but amen let's hear kuti Zume